mgbe ha jidere na 215 ha na-atag ya terrorist mana enwere evidence ya ma wee buziere egbe wee bunye ndị mmadụ wee mee uwe ọnyasị buwe ndị mmadụ bunye gbuo 2000 ya mee nka iwe ọcha mbụ omotoshoni agụ judgment he mentioned the 2000 okwu mention no collaborative evidence mgbe the guy ejidere si n'ọta atịka ha gbutere na ha egbutere 2000 that moment say dey consult mention no bosses je gbuo police mention no how many police gbuo 128 mention no how many ndami gbuo mention no how many number of police stations agbara ọkụ 100 and something police stations ka ha gbara ọkụ within the period. What then is terrorist? So the thing is this, it's not getting like Germany, Europe, ha na-agbala ọgụ ọsọ. You know why? They focus on, even America actually no ọgụ be ha ka no ọgụ be ha, China atọ ka no, when atọ ka no ọgụ be ha, kama ha je no, mana ha man ka no ya be ha. Reason is that they know the implication. Anu ọgụ ana agasa begi. Anu ọgụ begi ana agasa ya. So they are building the economy, creating job for their people, creating confidence for investors to come to bring their money and create job. Onye nke no na hotel room, no na ring light, o say tie, o say mechi obodo. Nobody should move. Onye obana a short or down economy. How can IGBO hand their destiny in the hand of somebody? I don't know. Emotional instability na disturb. No ga bono ka otetu ku ofie obodo awasa. Okuru eni ndị otu radicalized members ejegbu ndị mmadụ. Ịmakwa ndị egbu Dr. Ezenwa, one of the best surgeon. Now otu ọ na-eji fund ọgụ ya ABPC. Wow. The best surgeon in Nigeria. Habuye. Dr. Akunyili, Hebuye. Nke a bụ nnukwu mmadụ Ojemba Nnewi, 70-something years old man retired. Ọ na-anakwado onwe Port Harcourt, obi Port Harcourt, a surveyor. Jiri onwe ọ na-achọ nsogbu, ọ na-egbu onwe ihe gbasara na politics, na-ada ha bulie. Ọ bụ na Port Harcourt road the block, ọ chọkọ gba ụzọ ifite ụkwa, ha gbuo ya. That old man, ndị bịara ime Biafra. Kedu ndị ma agụ? Yeah, because I'm following this thing even before I travel. And I feel bad. So, mgbe na anya he busego obala na ana. Onwe one man no kpom ke 25th December ka ha bịa kpoli abie. Ya ịma 25th December na Igbo. Ana kwado ka bago Christmas ka na eri. Ada kpoli abie je gbufu oyi. Kelly Honorable Achukwu Barrister Achukwu onye ngwụlọ adịji ije onye Ugbo. When filling station ọ dịji ije from back mana ọ na-agba mbọ. Ha bulie BPC dompu ya aya ku onye gwe hali bie okay di okay honorable okay ebepulisi donc so these things are Igbo we na ebe akwa. The land is angry with NNAMDI land and co. And I said it before, that's why he was arrested, that's why Ekpa was in jail. The land is very, very bitter with them, land of Igbos, and that's why none of them can go without being punished, because Oboze Madinanu the God and the land has stand. What now say why Nandi Igbo Igbo leaders ejereje ye bele ya mo je negotiate kopụta ka ngwa gị ịmana nke izu ọpụtara after no Igbo leaders jeriji okima.
Yes,
When you bare condition, all the bare condition any off now onwere nke o mere obe kopụta. Now apart from that, when I to onye ji we make short ihe nga, because in my case is men shorty as a put up onye in anaka
providing
and I to any na benga for not producing him. Any na asa na defend na asa aka. Imano onye Igbo jikwe maka mbani assign bell ekunu onye ofonye wote onye nwere property worth 500 million na Abuja. Only Igbo onye Anambra with that property worth 500 million naira for his bed. Imana Kobal also the federal government seizes the property. Mbejide from Kenya. Onye ngweje wesi ngwa sinye zenu property mbejide yo asia mba na oblo mbejide property di Igbo man. Now that property worth 5 billion naira kita. Ona on mad million Or now to the person they agree. Nobody's talking about it. Now, in our secondary ability, you might go to Taimayoku, come appear in Israel, and the person got the album also. And I back up when he had the Oputalo, Oma appear in Israel, my hope. You hope that the NNAMDI media shot in Africa, when you don't worry, now you win special place when the Biafra comes. So, enough. The brother there, and I call here. The mad angry with what he did. So, and I ask him, okay, we put a can or an Igbo president, NNAMDI, Ibaliana. So now I mean, can I never enough to you because the president of Igbo nation, over 40 million Igbos whom are that way, whom are abroad, is an answer to you. And then after some weeks or days, in one attempt to bomb NNAMDI's house, that is it. Then after NNAMDI, we elect Professor George Ubiozo of Omuma, Professor of International Relations, former Nigerian ambassador to Cyprus, former Nigerian ambassador to US, and former Nigerian ambassador to Israel. Over 80 years old man, respected old man, Professor Ubiozo, they issued letter that they don't recognize him. After a while, they went and bombed his house. The document the old man sued on war. They committed so much sacrilege in Igbo land. A judge was sitting. They had a judge in the city, a judge, magistrate judge in Imo State. See, so what is the definition of terrorism? So in our Igbo, Igbo is Igbo Kwezanata, Igbo Ganazanati, my wicked economy. Wicked economy is economy. Oga every weekend, my post the Madanata. Hananati, my capital flight. Money they bring into economy that weekend. Only nata, only spend 2 million higher spending in economy. Me go only messing yaba dozie be na abata next week. Mo onye nka okwo we ga abata na village. Me onye esi ya si eri ogidi, na abata na ya egolo ogidi ya eri na e ga abata na village. Me onye asucha na. That is how money moves into Anambra and Igbo economy every weekend. This guy disrupted that economic activity that is so unique about Igbo. Almost when but I go within a village everywhere because of unknown government. So they cause so much pain in our land, and some of us are saying that it is a time for all of us to be speaking against this, so that Hagama now. Because incentive, more people now join.
Don't you see the logic that some people are bringing in that ESN is different from unknown government and different from autopilot? That now IPOB is not the one that is doing unknown government. That now KANU diche from Eba. More autopilot. Don't you see the thing that they say that why do we link everything to Nnamdi Kanu? That they are different. Go ahead. Even the sit at home that were being observed, they said Nnamdi Kanu did not order it. No, Simon Ekpa. Can you? What do you have to say about that?
You see, everything had with contrary evidence against Nnamdi Kanu. Now, unknown government, but Nnamdi Kanu be doing it. When you want to go and attack police, attack your unknown government. Even a opening follow Nandikal, even a report here, there was what evangelism took place by unknown government. They want an attack, announce proudly evangelism unknown government. We know, and because that may be happy. Before the unknown government they operate we go. Before we in June. Mind you, now early November 2020, Gaha made the first burning of properties nke abon about this visiting those places are abon na Anambra, especially Nnewi, Osumenyu, Ukpo, Amichi, Ozobolo, and Ichi. Those areas are born, my NEC, my police, my road safety, are born. Hana born, Hana Zulu, my machine, and the Maduna Bago side or small. It will all happen. So, as at that time, Nandi Kalagano, because he was thinking that NSAS and lead to it is as in Nigeria. Then, after that incident, Habidozie operates with the Bohazia police. But when you make a video, see the police. Unknown government. I already ESN. I don't know police or I don't know ESN. No, unknown government. So when I'm working out the when the person is deceiving himself. And if I watch here, when Nandi can wait the already in the Alua, but in the Bugo Obalabaganya. So Habuzelo Naga, and again, I make easier money. Usually, worry, name everything on that auto. So, Banasana Nandi Carlos has stop. They have some banner about Nandi Kalu. Because also, one, 8 men are talking leadership. Also, I support Kuhani because that time Hannah we make able from crime so much. So, when I'm working on Onyia, the show as you, or Hanchabu, the same, not them. Because they gave video Nandi Kalu. Nandi Kalu, it's really difficult for anybody to defend their video evidence. You so Nandi Kalu had reached and you only video came well. Nandi Kalu Sina. Now what is it? Now Iba is bringing another style to this thing. Iba was na better terrorism. Nandi Kalu no be terrorists because these are the same thing. They believe that if they inject fear, they take control. Their people at Walhego.
Thank you. Nnamdi Kanu raised the issue of jurisdiction. That Nigeria law court has no jurisdiction to try him because his radio station is not situated in this country, and then a lot of people are actually buying into that Nigeria has no right to try him. What do you have to say about that? Jurisdiction.
Okay. In Kambo, his own thinking, because he committed offense in 2 countries where he stands to commit the offense. One, that's the UK. The second, where his offense affected, where his offense created victims, which is Nigeria. So, any of these countries that arrest him first, we prosecute him. UK, where he stands to call for killing of Nigerians. But another place, if UK find him, they will try him. Then Nigeria, where his offense had some impact, we also jail him. So his argument is immaterial. He hang him in the UK, mad buying, behind, make more police, bunker. He not calling no UK. Because that's how you do. Because police in a police sign, police in Nigeria, or police in UK. Now, Ozian is easy in the begging. Had you men, I am go clear, my name will repercussion, and with consequences. So that argument does not hold water. Our police has been killed. Our army has been killed by your directive, which you did from UK. Upgoduna on a normal, Nigeria has capacity to seek for extradition or to move him to diplomatic channel. Nigeria. Now UK has also jurisdiction to try it. So all multi-nation jurisdiction in terms of his offense. So the argument doesn't hold water as far as I'm concerned.
Dalorin. A lot of people are criticizing OUK, Ojo Zokalo. I think he's just one of the Igbo leaders that have come out to condemn what Nnamdi Kanu is doing.
Yeah.
Openly, even coming from Abia State and then everything, same state with Nnamdi Kanu. Then people like Peter Obi has actually said that Nnamdi Kanu is not supposed to be arrested. Chief Priest too, Brain Jota too, some of these Igbo celebrities. What do you have to say about the stance of some of these Igbo notable sons and daughters?
That is what makes Igbo strong. Having opinion, having different opinion, allowing everybody. That was what Nnamdi never allowed people to have. Everybody should in Igbo land. I be a meeting. Only open my right in opinion. You are rich, my poor. MHZ, any conflict, may vote. Or we try to have ability to harmonize conflicting opinion, to have a common opinion in the agenda. How to say this? All this local position is what I have been told. What is the position? Again, now nobody is talking about 30,000 persons killed. That's the victim. That are also human being. That was all this local position. And I agree with him. Because nobody is talking about the action nearly to their death, the business that shut down because of the pharmacy manufacturing firm at the or local government that shut down and looted by them. At the peak of this, let me tell you, most of the big men name business within that Anambra ran away, including IGBO. Most of them moved away from their business because of the activity of these people. And what the implication? Our own partnership bring to expand their business. And that's why Asaba is booming today, because of Nnamdi and some others. What am I saying? I agree with you, Okalo. Because I was one Nnamdi the read. The implication is that because most of these people react, they blame on how some of them information now about KANU was information when they are yet to go violent. Because all them when Nnamdi can so be violent. That was their limitation. Abraham was the information about him. But when the letter information, such people are saying that how do we punish? Let me tell you, one day one JD, and then we go it is expected that Benya just Kedi or my Haji Kulia, at least Haji was somewhat Ogasia Bicon, Kedi also, Siak Musneluma, and all that. We might have hit that thing. That's one we bring that up, we could be on a baby in a need. So, oh, but so only the 2 more Uhabul, Bahani, me, when they have Bugase, Bahani, Bakwane, Kedu, and you, I am not maybe. That's why we are speaking for them. Man, I need to speak. That is wrong. That is not good. That what they did is not good. Our brothers and sisters have blood wrong man. And Nakanya Derea. No metal blue. And no metal Buku Chan or what a magic. KANU kapụ na takịta na-ekpe ekpe o metere bulu ahụ ha n'Igbo na-achụ ya ha n'Igbo dị ile emerukwe na ana. So that's my position on KANU and P2B and all this. Onye ọbụla nwere right to have his opinion.
Anaghị ịchọla igo ejukwala ese. Anaghị ịchọla igo imekwala investigation. Bịa na Pine Leaf Estate and Properties. Anyị adịela ana na-ese okwu. Anyị adịela ana na-eje court.